Hey guys, here's a really effective way of cleaning out your stove drip pans or just any dishes that have gone really nasty from a lot of usage. I know mine were really burnt out. I live in an apartment in the US and I'm considering moving out pretty soon, and so just trying to make sure everything's good and that I get my deposit back. And these stove pans were driving me crazy. I did try the whole vinegar and baking soda method. That just ended up staining my pans. You can see the yellow stains. I was gonna give up and just go to Walmart and buy a set of 4 for 22 bucks just so these guys wouldn't end up charging me 35 bucks. You know what I mean? So if you don't want to spend money buying a new set, here's a really easy way. It does take an overnight soak and a lot of scrubbing, but I think it's worth it, especially if you have more than just stove plates that you want to really clean out. So here goes, and hope it's helpful.